Today I will show you how to unit test the simple calculator Flutter app. In the test folder, I will create a new Dart file. I will name it unittest.dart. I will start by importing the Flutter test.dart and the calculator file. Then I will add the void main function. I will create a testing group. I will call it testing the calculator. I will add a test for the addition operation, a test for the subtraction operation, the multiplication operation, and finally a test for the division. In every test, I will set up the calculator and then call the operation method by passing the numbers 10 and 5. Then use the expect to test the result value. Let's run the test and check the results. As you can see, all the 4 tests passed. I will change the expected value for the addition test. I will run the test again. The addition test failed with error message. The expected is 10, but the actual value is 15. Let's correct the expected value back to 15 and run the test again. I got a green check mark. This means the test is successful. Thanks for watching.